Hi everybody, we're here in Pflugerville, Texas. We got a master bathroom and we got two guest bathrooms that we're updating, but the master bathroom, we're doing a complete remodel. So come on in and check it out. All right, we got all the floors taped off for a path. All the openings plasticed off. We'll actually tape those up in the morning, turn the AC off. And this is how we typically do your carpet. We're going to plastic it off throughout the entire job. Usually put in a wall with a zipper so you can get to your clothes if you need to. And here's the master bathroom. So right here, this is going to be converted into a shower. We're going to turn this area into a built-in linen. It's going to match the custom vanity here, but we're going to have to build a wall to divide everything. We're also going to replace the floors, baseboards, vanity, countertop, mirror, light. We're going to split the light here and have two different light fixtures. So we got two stations, and we're going to replace the toilet in there. So check back soon and we'll have more updates. Thanks for watching.